Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline. This vehicle comes in the short wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 110 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Reflex Silver. Across the front of the vehicle, it features a colour coordinated front bumper, complete with a set of front parking sensors, as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the van sits on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, which come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. Towards the rear of the vehicle, this panel van comes with the rear loading barn doors. The vehicle features a rear view reversing camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors, which helps you when parking and manoeuvring. Taking a look behind the doors and into the load area of the van, it comes ply lined as well as having multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle through a single sliding side load door. There is a full steel black bulkhead which separates the load area from the cab, and there's also a step for easy access into and out of the vehicle. Up front in the driver's cab we'll find a twin armrest seat for the driver along with a twin-seater passenger bench. The seats come finished in the bricks woven fabric upholstery, and in the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations as well as use the App Connect feature, allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Beneath the touchscreen we'll find the climate controls for the vehicle. The van comes with climatic air conditioning, and further down to the left we have a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, which is handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multi-function leather trimmed steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.